What are we to make of the Pat Collins 2017 Song of Granite? Is it a film or something else altogether different? The combination of black and white video featuring a bleak Connemara landscape and the even more barren world of urban Britain and America are all brilliantly captured by cinematographer Richard Kendrick. Combined then with the haunting Shanno soundtrack of Joe Heaney, the subject of this work, I was immersed in another place and time, affording me the opportunity to contemplate the nature of genius and the troubled personages that carry that moniker. How too are we to understand Joe Heaney, or Joseph O'Haney as he would be called in his native Irish, a man who abandoned his wife and children in Glasgow, a walking compendium of Irish song barely recognized in his native land, and eking out a life from the most modest of circumstances. There are no answers here for those that want things wrapped up in a neat Hollywood bow. There are only questions. I think Song of Granite is worth your time. It is art and not just a movie. I'm Martin Nutty, and this has been an Irish Stew Shoutout.